Hello, hi everyone. In today's video, we are gonna talk about this InfiRay thermo camera, which has came with this small box, and in the small box we have the world's smallest thermo imaging camera, which is capable to take 25 Hz of image samples, which is amazing because a FLIR thermo camera can take only 9 Hz due to the regulation in the US. And it was coming with this cable. I'm not really using it, to be honest, and the camera, it's pretty simple to use it. So it has a 256 by 292 image resolution, which is greater than the competitors. And also from pricing standpoint, it's really good. And the biggest problem with that, since it is the world's smallest thermo camera, is that you have to remove the cover of your phone, that you would be able, let me clean it, you would be able to connect your phone to the thermo camera. And once you have connected, there is an application which is automatically connects, and sometimes it does that. Yes, it's connected, and that's the image what you see on that. You have some palettes. You can use white hot, black hot, iron red. This is my personal preference. There is also rainbow, jungle, and so on and so forth. But the main thing about it, if you open your car, you can use the InfiRay thermal camera to diagnose your car itself. That's what I see. That's what you could see with a normal camera. And if I go back, that's how the thermal camera sees your engine. And you can even record video, and if there are some bad angles where you cannot reach, you can analyze later with that thermo camera. And if you want to take a selfie like that, it's looks like this one. It can handle from minus 20 Celsius till 550 degrees of Celsius, which is a really wide range, to be honest. And it has a tolerance between 2 plus and minus, so it's pretty reliable. You can even measure the degrees on your face if you want to. Like, accordingly to this, do I have fever? Maybe not. So I'm COVID proof. So yeah, you can check even the heat of your braking system in your car. Since I didn't made a big travel today, it hasn't really heated up. My tires are more heated up than my braking plate. So yeah, that's about it. It's a pretty amazing small camera. And by the way, don't do the mistake what I did. This has a macro lens in top of that, what you could use for zoom for and test for electronics. And it comes with a small additional cost, but I believe I will order later. If you are up to in electronics just as I am, if you check out my other videos on YouTube, then this small 9 gram world's smallest thermal camera would do a good job.